sir, we're here. Motorcycle madness, we made it. And there's a lot of madness on the property. 2 wheels apiece, y'all. 2 wheels apiece. Man, we got everything. We got the Rockets. We got plenty of those. We got the Harleys. And when I say Harleys, I mean we got everything. Baggers, choppers. Got some of the baddest choppers you've seen. Go down a racetrack, getting ready to hang out. We got some door slammers too. Some hot rods here to play. And the puppies that play as well. I tell you what, it's gonna be a good one today. Yes indeed, yes indeed. Motorcycle madness is upon us, ladies and gentlemen. Time to get to it. We got baggers, we got rockets, we got minis, we got dooms even. Hey, we out here hanging out, having a good time here at the lid, y'all. Motorcycle madness brought to you by Races, Harley Davidson of Lapeer. I tell you what, we're here at Lapeer, the National Dragway. We about to get it on, get it done, y'all. 2-wheel machines taking over the lid. About to get to it. I'm not about to race that bike. I don't know what y'all thinking. Indeed, it's your boy Lil Card on the mic. It's time to get to action. Let's go.
At the tree is where it's done. Yeah. We gon' show no love. Yeah. We gon' hold no grudge. Supercharger waves.
There's a lot of both lanes, y'all. Both sides of the racetrack. Look at this thing. Beautiful. But look what he's taking on. Shut it off at half track and still went 850. Somebody ready to go. 849, shutting it off at the 8. My Lord. See, this is one of my dream type of bikes right there. I want something to look like that. I'm still learning, y'all. I'm still learning. All right. The lone lady in the field, y'all. Hold on. 2 events in a row. The lone lady on the Harley. Got some big power right here, y'all. Big horsepower here in the left-hand lane. The ECM stretched out machine taking on the GS6R. Special, look at that. A little wheel hop going in a straight spin, and that's when it grabbed when he got out of the throttle right there, y'all. Here we go, back to back. The lone lady in the field. Here at Motorcycle Madness. That was her. chopper is chopping his way on down through the quarter mile. Gotta love it right there. You never know what you're gonna see here at the lid, I can tell you that. For the ECM machine, 1116 at 83 miles per hour for the Ninja. Tire spin for the Monster Turbo on that one. Here we go with two more monsters. We got El Jefe here in the left-hand lane taking on the nasty Hayabusa of Joby B. Down on the top end. We only got the reaction time in the right hand lane, actually both lanes, but look at that 007 on the tree. That's still cooking for reaction time, y'all. Bigger than normal. Let's see what he has. Getting a W, y'all. The biggest sleepers. Look at the Busa, he's gone. Man, no ET for the Busa right there. Here we go with ECM. Checking out his boost right there before he stages. Taking on the bad Nitrous. Go fast or go home Ninja in the right hand lane, y'all. Here we go. Cooking down there. 1188 at 103 miles per hour on a dirt bike, y'all. Mike, what is going on here, bro?
The internet's broken.
I think we broke that already. You gotta be kidding me, y'all. Oxide on the chopper.
This video is being brought to you by Rhino Dyno, the leading source in portable chassis dynamometer services. At the show, at the shop, or even your own home, you too can discover the potential of your high horsepower hot rod. Visit rhinodyno.com.
Fast Money Rockets getting to it here at the lid. Man, I tell you what, Fast Money getting to it, y'all. They getting to it, y'all. Look at that!